Rahim. I am Iram Safdar. I am your chemistry teacher. How are you, ninth class? I hope you all fine and feeling good at home and praying for your country that everything will be alright in the future, inshallah. Here's the moral lesson of today. The expert in anything was once a beginner. When we see somebody who is expert in his field or work, it means he starts with zero. He begins with nothing. It means he worked a lot in his field to make himself expert. So we should work hard for our future to make ourselves expert in our work. These days we are studying chapter number 5, that is physical states of matter. And the topic these days we are discussing nowadays are properties of gases. The topic of today is compressibility of gas. As we have already learned, the property of gases is diffusion, effusion and pressure. Today we will discuss compressibility. Compressibility of gases. Gases are compressible because there is much empty space between the gas particles. A lot of empty space is available. When we compress the gas particle, they will come closer to each other, and the gas particles in compressed state have less volume as compared to uncompressed state. So liquid are not compressible because there is no empty space between the particles, so they cannot come closer to each other. Here is the figure which shows uncompressed and compressed state of gas. Uncompressed, the gas molecules are far away from each other and larger volume, and smaller volume in compressed state. The other topic is property of gas is mobility of gases. Gas molecules are always in state of continuous motion. They can move from one place to another. Gas molecule possess very high kinetic energy. They move from one place to another due to empty spaces between the gas particles. They move through empty spaces that are available for molecules to move freely. If we spray a gas at one corner of the room, after some time we can smell this gas in each part of the room. Why it is so? Because they move from one place to another due to high kinetic energy and empty spaces between the particles and form a homogeneous mixture, uniform mixture. Density of gases. Now we will compare the density of gases. Density of gases are low than that of liquid and solid. Why it is so? Due to lighter mass and more volume. Gas density is expressed in gram per decimeter cube. Liquid and solid densities are expressed in grams per centimeter cube. So liquid and solids are 1000 times denser than gases. Density of gases increases by cooling because their volume decreases. For example, at normal atmospheric pressure, the density of oxygen gas is 1.4 gram per decimeter cube at 20 degrees centigrade and 1.5 gram per decimeter cube at 0 degrees centigrade. Now I will explain you. Gas molecule have large empty spaces, more empty spaces. Liquid molecule have less, and solid are tightly packed. As we know, density is the relationship between mass per unit volume. So if the mass is lighter, volume is larger, then the gas particles have less density. So density explains how tightly packed the molecules are. In case of gases, they are not tightly packed. Gas particles are lightweight and has more volume, so they have less density. Liquid and solid have less volume, so they have more density than gases. So when we can cool an air or other gas molecules, they will come closer to each other and their volume decreases. And when volume decreases, their density automatically increases. Why the rate of diffusion of gases is? Test yourself. Now we will discuss 5.1, question number 1. Why the rate of diffusion of gas is rapid than that of liquid? As we know, diffusion depends upon mass. Gases are lighter in mass, so gas particles move faster than that of liquid and solids. Why the gases are compressible? Gases are highly compressible. Why? Due to empty spaces. When we compress them, they will come closer to each other and their volume decreases. What do you mean by Pascal? How many pascals are equal to 1 atm? As we know, pressure is equal to force per unit area. The SI unit of force is Newton and that of area is meter square. Hence pressure has SI unit Newton per meter square. It is also called Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Whether the density of gas decreases on cooling? No. The density of gas increases by cooling because their volume decreases. For example, at normal atmospheric pressure, the density of gas is 1.4 per gram per dm cube at 20 degrees centigrade and 1.5 gram per dm cube at 0 degrees centigrade. Why is the density of gas made in gram per decimeter cube while that of liquid in gram per centimeter cube? Gases have lower density than solid and liquid. It is due to light mass, more volume occupied by the gas molecules. Gas density is expressed in gram per dm cube, whereas liquid and solid densities are expressed in gram per centimeter cubes. Liquid and solids are 1000 times denser than gases. Here we have to convert the following. You can also do it on your rough copies. 70 cm Hg to atm. 70 cm Ag is equal to 700 mm Ag. 760 mm Ag is equal to 1 atm. 700 mm Ag is equal to 1 by 760 multiplied by 700. So 0.92 atm is the answer. 3.5 atm to torr. 1 atm is equal to 760 torr. 3.5 atm is equal to 760 into 3.5. We will get the answer in torrs. 1.5 atm to Pascal. 1 atm is equal to 101325 Pascal. 1.5 atm is equal to 101325 into 1.5 Pascal. So we will get the answer in pascals. So you have to write it down on your copy, these conversions. And once again, take care and keep praying for your country that everything will be